nalabo uyakhona and not by mistake but intentionally so
Ubuye Dubai.
hey
Yeah. Une BBL.
yeah
So bafowethu, that's why it takes God's grace. You know, kunabanye osisi niyakwazi ukubabona.
yeah
Christians.
nabobhuti
Nababhuti nabo.
more especially laba abakhuluma ngama-tongues
Understand?
Oh,
Angisho nina. Yabazalwane, angisho nina ni focus.
uptight ubhuti
Let me say this thing. Kunomehluko between ibhakede elivuza esidini. Ngoba siyokwazi ukubona ukuthi liyavuza enzeni sivale. And siyabona ukuthi okay amanzi njoba ehla ngoba la kuyavuza. Bese kuba khona ibhakede elivuza ngaphansi. Amanzi ayehla mara swabona phelelaphi.
hey
Uyabona le engikhuluma ngayo masturbation. Lo ukuthi manje osisi bana lento zabo bayayisebenzisa. Nimbona ukuthi usisi yena Nkosi yami siyambona but lamanzi aphelelaphi. Kanti kunamanyala wenzayo afihlakele.
yeah
Mapha amanzi sibu.
Okay, bengenza example. Okay.
Ashone khona mapha amanzi.
Okay. Usisi uyathola ukuthi okay, kuthiwa bekaziphethe kahle, ubuze nomfundisi, ubuze noma mfundisi. Okay, niyashada. Mase nishada. Mase niya enkonzweni yasekamereni. Hayibo.
Inkinga.
game
Hey madoda.
U-freeway phela la.
Bengekho ready for le.
yeah it's the truth
And mfundisi nithi akalali. Mara hey. Kanti hayi. The time bekabangcwele phambi kwenu. Kodwa emfihlakalweni. Because singabazalwane namhlanje esisaba abazalwane kodwa uThixo singamsabi.
that's true but you know speaking of that Nebud, I once had a confession from a sister that came to me and said, you know Bud, I preached the word and there are a lot of young people that look up to me but the truth is behind the scene I struggle with masturbation. And the reason I struggle with masturbation, it's because of sakhuliswa ukuthi abazalwane abajoli. And as much as bangajoli abazalwane, they need to understand banenyama. They are living in inside the flesh. And the flesh has its own needs. I don't know if it makes sense. So as much as the flesh has its own needs, it's even worse if before you got born again, khona la ubuya khona. Because you have trained your body to get used to something that it's not supposed to be used to. Now, usindisiwe, you find it difficult to unlearn those habits. I don't know if it makes sense. Number two, we once had a very strange conversation on TikTok about 2xn. We're having this conversation to say it's difficult to please someone that already knows how to please themselves. Then lo muntu lo for years, 5 years, 10 years, bekayifikisa ngazi ukuthi bayifikisa kuphi khona la bayifikisa khona.
Bekayifikisa.
Asifuna ukukhishizela khona la bayifikisa khona. For 5 years or 10 years bekayifikisa. Manje ushada nawo. Wena ke uyomfikisa kanjani umuntu okwazi ukusifikisa?
Computer nemishini.
Computer nemishini. You get what I'm saying? So these are things that are there. These are things that are there. And this is why it's very important as a church to understand to say, Buffett, let's talk, let's engage in this, let's engage in these things.
Exactly.
More especially as young people. It's worse gule ages internet. Pornography, it's something that is easily accessible. And you'd be shocked at the amount of brothers and sisters in church that are struggling with the very same thing. And number two, Upotu mentioned something, let's issue. Kunabosisi ngaphakathi, whether worship team or whatsoever, thina sibabona abangcwele kanti bayalala. Sijudge usisi ngenxa yokuthi ukhulele kanti the rest iya prevent.
Yo. Mabonda hayi.
No sizoyisho lento. Simbone sithi usisibanibani uwile simply because of pregnant. What about lo oyenzayo the very same thing? Umehluko ukuthi uyaprevent.
Aphinda cule
futhi. So thina scratch usisti esimbone ukuthi ukhulele simsuse na ku worship team simsuse na kuphi. Kanti sometimes the very person that we need kakhulu ulo wake wakhulela ngoba simshayile uzokhona kuona labanye ukuthi bafethu la ngishayeka khona aningashayeki nani. But the church vele imncamule loyo muntu imcrash imqede.
Ngoba kunomehluko between isigebengu esibanjiwe nesigebengu esingakabanjwa.
Spo.
Yeah. Nice.
Wow.
Let's move, eh?
Okay. So, how do we guard our hearts in the world of Instagram, DMs, and situationships? What does guard your heart even mean in 2025? Practically steps, please.
Inhliziyo yami ngiyivikela kanjani kumzalwane osile?
Yeah, Mabunda will answer that.
Ay, bobo. Okay.
Yeah.
There is one thing that David said, which I find to be a